Time for a good soup. Today we're making a carrot and potato soup with dumplings. It goes super fast.
Welcome to Cooking Lessons. From now on, I'll show you the best tips and tricks for your kitchen. So let's cook something nice together and turn you into a pro.
Colorful carrots from the market. Beautiful yellow ones. There's purple ones in there. And the regular ones give us a bit of color in the soup. Potatoes, it's clear, the same amount of both. About 500 grams of our mixed ground meat, along with 3 slices of toast soaked in milk. Salt, pepper, nutmeg. And I already have a bit of butter and onion in the pan. We're going to sweat those onions now, so let's add them to the ground meat mixture and fill it up with our vegetable broth. All right? We can start warming up our vegetable broth because we're going to cook our dumplings in it shortly. Our onions are becoming nice and translucent, and we can go ahead and add them to our ground meat mixture. We'll add the egg to that. And our soaked toast. But you should process it a bit in the bowl beforehand. It's better than doing it later in the ground meat mixture. So just crumble the toast nicely. Then we can add the toast mixture here to our ground meat. A little freshly grated nutmeg goes in there. And, of course, salt and pepper, because our dumplings should have a really good flavor of their own. And now we're going to make a smooth mixture out of this. And then we roll small dumplings with slightly damp hands. Now, place them on the plate and they will be cooked in the vegetable broth, and it's already done. And we're going to add them to the hot broth now. Then we take a ladle and just pour a little broth onto the plate. And you see what happens? They just slide right in by themselves. Perfect, right? We're going to bring that to a boil now and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And then they can come out again. And in the meantime, we'll cut the potatoes and carrots. So we're just going to cut the potatoes into relatively even cubes. It's just going to be a stew anyway, not a gala menu. And we're just going to cut our carrots into small slices. That fits perfectly with the image of a stew. And the carrots are already cut up so quickly. And this little one here really looks lovely. A little tip about that, they look beautiful, taste wonderful, but they do color everything a bit reddish, so don't use too many of them. The dumplings can come out now. And now from this vegetable broth, a wonderful rich broth has developed with the dumplings. And in there we're going to cook the carrots now. And potatoes until they're cooked, and then we'll add our meatballs back in at the end. Very simple cooking, just like Grandma used to do. And into this rich broth, we're going to add our carrots and also our potatoes. And we're going to cook all of that here 15 minutes. And we don't want to forget the colorful ones. Let's use the time to chop the parsley. And of course, the potato falls apart with longer cooking, but I think it looks just beautiful right now. Now we're just going to add our cooked meatballs back in there so they can warm up. Beautiful. A great opportunity to add our chopped parsley right in. Then let's enjoy the rest of winter with such a wonderful meal. And of course, a stew always tastes even better the next day, but I'm really in the mood for it today. Pretty tasty. Really, really good. If you like this little recipe, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are interested in other dishes from Grandma's kitchen, here we show you a stuffed thick rib. It will be displayed. You just need to tap on it with your little finger. Bye, dear ones.
Be sure to check out this next video. It's packed with even more tips and tricks that will help you become a master chef in no time. And don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Lessons for more delicious content every week. It's easier than you think.